Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic. Question: which coastal state in India has the longest coastline and how does this influence its economic activities? Answer A. Gujarat. Question: how does the presence of a coastline affect the climate and agriculture of a coastal state compared to a landlocked state? Answer B. more humid and moderate temperatures. Question: among the Indian states with coastline, which one is strategically important due to its proximity to the Arabian Sea and international shipping lanes? Answer B. Gujarat. Question: why might a coastal state like Tamil Nadu have a more diversified economy compared to an inland state? Answer A. access to ports and fishing. Question: which coastal state is known for its unique backwater ecosystem, and how does this impact tourism and local livelihoods? Answer B. Kerala. Question: how does coastal erosion impact the socio-economic conditions of states like Andhra Pradesh? Answer B. causes displacement and loss of livelihood. Question: which coastal state is a major contributor to India's seafood exports due to its extensive coastline and fishing industry? Answer C. Kerala. Question: how do coastal states contribute to India's maritime security and defense strategy? Answer A. hosting naval bases and coast guard stations. Question: which coastal state is a key hub for shipbuilding and why is this significant for India's naval capabilities? Answer B. Tamil Nadu. Question: what role do coastal states play in India's trade and commerce through seaports? Answer B. primary gateways for imports and exports. Question: how does the coastal geography of Odisha influence its vulnerability to natural disasters compared to inland states? Answer B. more vulnerable to cyclones and floods. Question: which coastal state has a significant presence of salt pans and how does this affect its local economy? Answer A. Gujarat. Question: how does the coastline of West Bengal influence its cultural and economic interactions with neighboring countries? Answer A. facilitates cross-border trade and cultural exchange. Question: which coastal state's port is considered the deepest natural harbor in India and why is this advantageous? Answer C. Odisha. Question: how do coastal states manage the balance between industrial development and environmental conservation? Answer A. strict pollution controls and sustainable practices. Question: why is the Konkan coast important for Maharashtra's economy and biodiversity? Answer A. fishing and tourism. Question: how does the coastline affect the demographic patterns in coastal states? Answer A. higher urbanization near ports. Question: which coastal state has the largest mangrove forest area and what is its ecological significance? Answer A. West Bengal. Question: how does the coastal location influence the energy resources and infrastructure in states like Gujarat? Answer A. Development of offshore wind and solar energy. Question: what challenges do coastal states face in terms of urban planning and disaster management? Answer A. Flooding and infrastructure stress. Question: how does the coastline impact cultural diversity in states like Goa? Answer A. Exposure to international influences and tourism. Question: which coastal state is known for its shipbreaking industry and what are the environmental concerns? Answer C. West Bengal. Question: how do coastal states contribute to India's blue economy and what sectors are included? Answer A. Fisheries, tourism, shipping, and marine biotechnology. Question: why is the development of ports in coastal states essential for India's economic growth? Answer A. Facilitates international trade and connectivity. Question: how does the coastline influence the linguistic and ethnic diversity of coastal states? Answer A. Greater diversity due to trade and migration. Question: which coastal state has a significant number of offshore oil and gas fields and what is the impact? Answer A. Gujarat. Question: how do coastal states handle the issue of marine pollution and its impact on fisheries? Answer A. Implement regulations and cleanup drives. Question: what role does the coastline play in India's cultural festivals and maritime heritage? Answer A. Central role in celebrations and traditions. Question: how does the coastline affect the transportation infrastructure in coastal states? Answer A. Development of ports, highways, and railways connecting ports. Question: why is the conservation of coral reefs important for coastal states like Tamil Nadu? Answer A. Protects biodiversity and supports fisheries. Thanks for watching. Comment your score and any suggestions below. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.